Ooh, what's this then? Hello YouTube, welcome and Happy New Year. It's Gav on my own today, testing out some new kit in the snow and rain up here in the waterfalls above Talybont. I'm on my own today. My first appearance of the year since the Big Bill Part 3, I think. We're on Part 6 now. So can't leave it all up to Gez to keep on pumping out the content, so I thought I'd get off my behind after Christmas and, you know, pull my weight. I don't think you can see it on here, but yeah, it's starting to come down a bit. Anyways, starting to come down quite hard now. Up we go. Let's run. Well, some stunning views normally. So down that way and around there you've got Talybont Reservoir. Somewhere in that direction and over that mountain, if you can just see it through the cloud, is where we camped with Di, Camp and Wild, Nick Valley Camper and Bulldog Badger. I forgot the name of the mountain, but I'm sure one of them will let us know in the comments. And that beyond these woods and a few miles that way is Pen y Fan, more or less. Snow's getting quite big. Onward. Whew, into the sanctuary of the trees. Or is it? Look at all these Imagine the force of nature it took to take down all that. That one. It's huge. It's like Godzilla ran down through here. Crikey. Let's go see that waterfall. Slip. Right, so up there is the car park, another car park, the upper car park. The falls go on, oh, can't see my hand, there we go. Falls go on for a bit up there, and there's a path that takes you pretty much, I think, all the way to Penny Van and Fanny Big. So I'm gonna skip back down like a mountain goat, and there's another river with falls, or a big fall I should say, over that way, but I gotta go down and back up another side. I think I'll try and cross here. Whoa, slippery as flub. Super easy, barely an inconvenience. Still dry feet, yeah. Right, so I'm on this other path which I think takes me down to the biggest waterfall. So while I'm on my way, just thought, been thinking lately, people don't probably know much about me because I'm a part-timer really when it comes to this channel. So I thought I'd start just dropping little bits of personal info. And the first one I'm going to do today is I am a massive, huge, raging fan of professional wrestling, or sports entertainment as some people call it. At the age of 38, coming 39, I watch grown men and women in tight revealing outfits, sweating and throwing each other around on a canvas, and I even pay for it. And I book off days off work so I can stay up into the early hours and watch it live. So yeah, that's your bit of personal information from me in this video. I may divulge more, well, I will divulge more on following videos. Favourite wrestlers currently active: Bryan Danielson, Hangman Adam Page, Kenny Omega and Chris Jericho. I think I'm on the right place. If I can get across here and head down, I'm gold. Bit worried about my camera. It's getting quite wet, although the sky is getting a bit brighter. Wait. Can I cross this? Too deep, too deep. Back up. Wait. Wish Gez was here because he'd have fallen on his arse by now. And that's always good content. I found it. DuckTales, woo! Let's get a bit of a jog on, keep myself warm. It's about 3 degrees, or maybe less now. Ta-da! No tree. And here we go. Hoping you can still hear me. I'll try and speak up. Shit. Slippery when wet. My God. Just slipped over, whacked my knee, yeah, jarred my shoulder as well. Wow, it's mega slippery. Try again. Rocks around here are so slippery. Put my foot there, slid down there, wet knee, wet foot, slipped again, swung my arm, shoulders in. I need to find somewhere to sit down, it's not so dangerous. And have some lunch. Starving. Whoop. Gonna film my way out just in case I fall again. Come the summer, I'm getting under that. Oh, oh, beautiful. I think this is a good spot to stop, make a hot drink. Noisy, innit? So I've set up my stove and some tea, and what I wanted to reveal, newest bit of kit, Poison the Word enamel mug. How cool is that? Been off for sale, my girlfriend had it made for Christmas. This is his first time using it. Pretty cool, isn't it? So these little milk things, they probably taste like shit. Bag. Right. The milk. Watch this. So curdled. Ew. Okay, no tea today. Another boys in the wood fail. Might as well turn this off. So not a complete disaster today. Tea was a bust, but I've got a sandwich, a twirl and some crisps. That can go in a bin. I'm going to sit here for 10, have some lunch, make my way down there. It's started to snow again. I'm going to make my way back to the car, hopefully down there, and get my cold ass home. Pretty gutted that my milk, I never bring tea or coffee or anything like that on these things. Never been that type of guy. usually beer, maybe water or rum. Should have bought the rum, that would have gone better in the cup. So yeah, first time I think, right, I used my new mug because it's so cool. Make a cup of tea by a cool waterfall, and the milk I bring has gone off. Lovely. Oh, I do want to get in there, but I'm not insane. So let's follow this way. So in typical Boys in the Wood fashion, you never doubt us on it. Something always goes wrong. Something always fails. I've fallen over, so there's that as well. No tea, no hot drink. Although I did just have a nice lunch until it started snowing again. So it's not a complete failure. Hey, who doesn't like walking in the snow? Wow. Doesn't look it on camera, but that is fast. It looks like one of those surf wave things you get on cruise ships. Wow, it's just like one big slab. Kind of cool. Right, so I'm back in the car. Successful walk over with. Just saw two lads walking off, one wearing a pair of Vans. He is going on his ass today. Well, a pretty successful walk, I think. So I've got the heated seat on now to warm my ass up, and I am gonna. Oh, this is Warriors wearing shorts. Crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna go and get a pint and gasp in. See you on the next one.